You've moved on, you've got the foreign divorce decree in your hand, and now you're ready for the most beautiful chapter in your life, adopting a Filipino child. But here is the 2026 reality check. In the eyes of the Philippine government, you may still have to resolve a marriage that ended years ago. This is the paper marriage trap. If your foreign divorce hasn't been judicially recognized in a Philippine court, you aren't just divorced with a complication. You are legally ineligible to adopt as a single person. Today, we're breaking down the necessary steps you still have to take between your foreign divorce and your future child. In 2026, adoption in the Philippines is an administrative, not a judicial proceeding. Thanks to Republic Act 11642, you no longer have to go to court for years just to adopt. You deal directly with the NACC, the National Authority for Childcare. It is faster, but it remains stringent. Under Philippine law, married couples must adopt jointly. If your PSA Marriage Certificate isn't annotated with your divorce, the NACC sees you as married, and your putative spouse's consent will need to be accounted for. This means the law requires that you must have the foreign divorce legally recognized in the Philippines in order to establish that you do not need to jointly adopt. Without a judicial recognition of foreign divorce, the NACC cannot legally process you as a single applicant. The NACC requires a flawless paper trail. When you submit your dossier, the NACC won't accept just a foreign divorce decree. They want the annotated PSA Marriage Certificate. This is the final proof that the Philippines has legally recognized the foreign divorce and has changed the entry in the civil registry. A change of entry with respect to the civil status requires a court order. Consequently, to obtain the court order requires a successful petition for recognition of foreign divorce in a Philippine court. The adoption office will not approve your application if they see a status inconsistency. The adoption will not be approved until the petition for recognition of foreign divorce is granted by the court. The bottom line is this: don't wait for the adoption process to start before filing for recognition. Administrative adoption is now relatively fast. However, the recognition of foreign divorce is a judicial process that still takes typically 12 to 18 months due to court backlogs. If you wait until you find a child to adopt, you will be stuck in an avoidable delay that can have adverse personal consequences. Obtain the recognition of the foreign divorce first. That will allow the adoption process to proceed far more smoothly. Adoption is a journey of the heart, and it is also a legal process. If you are a Filipino or former Filipino who divorced overseas, you may well need to obtain Philippine recognition of your foreign divorce before you can adopt. If you think this concern affects you, we'll be happy to help. Contact us at lawyerphilippines.org and we can discuss your specific situation in detail.